How to animate an image easily and completely free with just a few clicks. The necessary links are provided in the description below. Let's get started. First, click the link in the description to visit Hugging Face and utilize the tool called Sad Talker. This tool offers various functionalities, but I find this method to be the simplest and most effective. All you need to do is upload your desired image and select your preferred presets. For optimal quality, I recommend keeping the enhancer option enabled. Additionally, choose the full image setting to facilitate the removal of watermarks using CapCut at a later stage. Next, you can either upload a recording or type the script. Once you've completed this step, click on the Generate button. Here are the results.
If the generation process takes too long, you can also utilize the same tool on replicate.com. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and perhaps subscribing to the channel.